Basically, rather than having to manually add, what you can do is literally what it'll do is it'll look for an April Lynn on your Facebook, and if you have an April Lynn on your phone book, it'll actually match the two and put them together.
Okay.
So the whole idea is actually, you don't have to actually go and do it manually. It just automatically.
So if somebody has like a Twitter feed or something, that'll show up as well?
It's all about integrating everything. So from this point on, what you can do is actually, you can group them. So everyone runs from a different tribe and everyone likes to do different things. So you can have all, you can have your favourites. So here, I've got a few of my favourites set up. I mean, this could be like your girlfriend, your family, or whatever it is. Go across to the next one. You have groups, so you can have set them up by a group. Updates and events. So here, what I could put in is, for example, if I saw a Facebook feed or a Twitter feed and one of my friends is updated, I'd see it all here as well. So,
okay, so everybody in your contacts would show up here?
Yeah, so whoever's updated will set up an event.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, and you've got full history as well, so whoever I've spoken to, then go for it. So, going back to that, so let's go to April Lynn. Yep. So going back to April Lynn. So if I click on April Lynn, so I'm actually on her contact page right now. So what I want to do is I've got the standard sort of outlook, which is call, work, mobile, message, whatever I want to do. But I don't know if for example, if you're using it at work and being on the phone to a client or or to your line manager or whatever, and they're like, oh, I sent you an email, I sent you a text. You can actually have all of that information stored in one place. So you have all your messages in one. You have mail, you have your updates and events, you have your albums. So any pictures that she's taken, so for example, you can link it to your Flickr, or any pictures to do with April, you can see all that, and you have your core history.
So events, I would link to Facebook updates or Twitter updates, whatever, just an RSS feed, I guess?
Right, so, but the whole element of this is, this whole people side of it is, you don't need to go look for information, which you currently have to do, so you've got like a copy of something. Currently at the moment, when you go look, you actually have to proactively go look for that type of information, whereas here it's all presented on the screen. So if we go to, do you use Twitter?
Yep.
So Twitter, so I've got blank screen, so let's add up Twitter right now. So I can see Twitter this way, or I've got another view to see it.
Oh wow.
So you've got to, actually you can choose the widget as well and how you experience the widget. I'm more of a visual person, so let's go and go. So it's there. So now with Twitter, what I can do is I can see what everyone else is doing, or I can update it myself. So I click on what you're doing, QWERTY keyboard comes up. Now, to touch normally on a type on a normal touch phone is a pain, right? But here, if you look at the, so I'm going to spell this word wrongly. So R-I-C-O-R. So rocked. It's ready. So I actually wanted to say rocked, and I typed in whatever. That's basically it changes. And the whole idea is here, you're not having to make sure you touch each individual key. It's all about it will actually update it for you. So and then
this is my weekend layout. I can then go into the menu, go to scenes, and choose.
So I want to say now. So it's telling me that I actually typed in bow. But I want to say now, so I actually just click on now and it will.
Okay.
So and click on update. I don't know why I wrote that.
Yeah, well.
Pretty much.
Is there a...
I kind of got to the point now where I've done this. Right, so it goes from there. But the other thing with Twitter is, so I'm on my home screen, and the example that I'm giving is pretty much, if I'm going to go out tonight, and rather than having to go call my friend and say, what am I doing tonight, or where do I need to meet you, what's going on, and he's like, you know what, I'm going to send out a tweet, everything's there. So I'm like, okay, I'll get a notification for a tweet, and literally all I do is there. and all the information is there. I'm not having to go search for this, it's coming to me.
And obviously there's cut and paste and everything that Android originally had. Alright.
Yeah, and you got pan zoom. So if, for example, if we went into so let's choose skateboard map. So just tell me to update my favorites.
This picture you took.
Yeah, sure. I'll have this picture.
Okay,
Right, so I'm hoping this is actually Wi-Fi up.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi is kind of rough here, so.
I don't know if it's Wi-Fi up or the SIM cards are actually working. I don't think they are. I think I'll probably get an error message.
So have you been using this one?
I use it calendar as well. Go into the calendar.
Okay, so for example, this is loaded. And then what you can do is you need to do it on a picture. So give me a second.
Just experience
biggest competitive devices now in the market with this feedback is so let's have a look.
Yeah, show a picture maybe.
Let's hope something. Yeah, so we've got all photos.
I actually got one.
So you can choose this way, so you know you can it's like you can go through it and see exactly what you want to see. So going through and checking each one. So I quite like this photo. Put it up, and I can zoom, reduce, do all that. So it's got now if I want to zoom in further, what's going on? So you got, and you've got that on the websites as well. So I'm going to try it again. Actually, go to a website.
This is a very personal scene of cycling stuff in the background, and very much kind of locations. So you can undo it. Let's
just load the MSN because it's all normally very text.
If you could stay over there, we can have both. Yeah.
Well, let me finish first, dude.
Yeah.
So you can see it's already here. So you can actually.
So what it's now going to do, it's going to completely.
So this is the MSN page as you experience it on your phone.
Rather than having to take an evening or weekends, you don't
see what we were saying about before?
Okay.
And then so now you actually read it as keeping the phone with manual rather than
this is now your work mode.
And it reformats for the side. Alright, perfect.
Cool.
Alright.